Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make chili fish. This recipe you can follow when you want to make something spicy and yummy as a starter or main course. This goes well with fried rice or noodle, or even before adding sauce you can serve it as fish pakoda also. So let's start our chili fish. In this recipe you can replace fish with chicken or prawn also. The process will be same. I'll describe in between how to make chili chicken also. So first of all I am going to take 2 lb of fish fillet. Here I am using tilapia fillet. You can use any kind of fish. You can take with bone or boneless. Here I am going to take 2 tablespoons of corn flour or corn starch, then 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour, and then add salt. Here I am going to add only 1 teaspoon of salt, and then half teaspoon of black pepper powder, then 1 teaspoon of chili garlic sauce. So here I am adding lots of spice. You limit your spice according to your spice level. 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, then 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, and after that I am going to add 1 teaspoon of rice vinegar. If you don't have rice vinegar you can take normal white vinegar, and also if you don't have vinegar at all you can add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. So now we'll mix it well and I'll leave it for 30 minutes, and after that I'll start frying. We'll start making the sauce for chili fish. First of all I have taken 1/3 cup of tomato ketchup, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, again 1 teaspoon of rice vinegar. If you don't have rice vinegar you can take normal vinegar, and then half tablespoon of soy sauce. If you have dark soy sauce then definitely take dark soy sauce, then half teaspoon of black pepper powder. Again I'll tell, limit your spice quantity according to your spice level, and again I am going to take half teaspoon of chili garlic sauce. If you don't have chili garlic sauce you can add normal chili sauce, and if you don't have garlic powder just add some fresh garlic to your sauce. Now heat a pan, add 1 tablespoon of oil to it, and then we'll put our marinated fish and we'll fry it till it is golden brown from the both sides. If you are replacing fish with prawn, the process will be exactly same as fish, but if you are replacing fish with chicken, then while marinating add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, and try to deep fry the chicken, because if you shallow fry the chicken it won't come nice. So try to deep fry the chicken, and it will take little more time for chicken to be fried. And if you are frying the chicken you can make chicken popcorn out of it, so that will be different recipe again, and the taste wise it is better than chili fish. So if you are taking chicken just make sure it will take little longer time than your chili fish. Now the fish is already done from one side. I have flipped it and now I am going to fry it from the other side. And if you want the fish to be little more crispy, so just try to fry it for little longer time and then it will be crispy. All total it will take 10 to 12 minutes to fry it normally, and if you want to make it crispy it will take another 5 to 7 minutes. Now you can see the fish is done from both the side. I am going to take out in a bowl. At this stage you can serve it like this with some ketchup and salad, it will taste good. But we are going to make chili fish. I am going to take the same pan. I'll add 1 teaspoon of oil again. Here I am going to add 2 cloves of chopped garlic, and then here I have taken 1 sliced onion, 1 sliced bell pepper and 1 sliced jalapeno. After adding garlic, add 1 teaspoon of grated ginger. Just saute it for 30 seconds, then add onion to it. And with onion, I am going to add jalapeno, and I'll saute it for 1 to 2 minutes, onion and jalapeno, and then I'll add bell pepper. Here you can add other vegetables also, like broccoli, zucchini, mushrooms, carrot or cabbage, whatever you like. Here I am going to add only bell pepper, and after that I am going to add again half teaspoon of salt, and then we'll add our sauce and fish. After adding salt, just mix it well, then add fish. Mix it well, then add the sauce. After adding sauce, I am going to add 1/3 cup of water here, so that the sauce will be mixed well, because it's very thick. If you do not add water, then it won't be mixed well and it won't taste good. So definitely after adding sauce, add 1/3 cup of water and mix it well. After mixing it, bring down your heat to low. Here I have added 1 teaspoon of sugar. I have taken brown sugar, that's why I have taken 1 teaspoon. If you are taking white sugar, just take half teaspoon of white sugar, and then bring down the heat to low and cook it for another 2 minutes, and then your chili fish is ready. Now you can see my chili fish is ready. I am going to serve it with spicy Chinese fried rice. Spicy Chinese fried rice recipe you will also get in my channel. And now this is ready to serve. You can prepare this recipe and serve your family and let me know how it came out. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get new recipe every Thursday, and press the bell button to get the notification.